15 things to do before uploading your first long-form YouTube video. This guide walks you through each step in more detail to make sure you're fully prepared for a strong first impression and long-term growth. 1. Define your channel's purpose and target audience before uploading anything. Take time to figure out what your channel is about and who it's for. Your content should align with a niche or interest area that you're passionate about and that others are actively searching for. Ask yourself, what kind of videos will I create? Who would benefit from or enjoy this content? Why should someone subscribe? Example, if you're making 10-minute productivity tutorials, your channel might be aimed at students and professionals who want actionable tips in a short time. That's your audience. Clarity here will help guide everything else from your video titles to your editing style. 2. Set up a branded and professional YouTube channel even if you're just starting out. Make your channel look polished from day one. Think of it like your storefront. Checklist. Channel name. Make it clear, relevant, and easy to remember. Profile picture. Use a high-res logo or headshot that looks good at small sizes. Channel banner cover art. Design this to fit across all devices. Mention your posting schedule, theme, or tagline if possible. Tools like Canva offer great templates for YouTube branding. 3. Write a compelling channel description. This is often overlooked but very important. Your About section helps YouTube understand your channel, and it can convince new visitors to subscribe. Include what your channel is about. Keywords help. Who it's for, how often you post, links to your social media, email, or website. Simple. Welcome to Budget Basics. Every week, we share long-form, easy-to-follow videos to help beginners take control of their personal finances. Subscribe for honest advice, real-world examples, and smart budgeting tips that actually work. 4. Create a channel trailer or intro video. A short introductory video can help first-time visitors understand your channel's value in less than a minute. Keep it short, 30-60 seconds. Energetic and authentic, focused on what viewers will get from subscribing. This isn't required, but it adds a polished touch to your channel's homepage. 5. Plan and script your video content. Even for long-form content, planning is essential. This doesn't mean you need a word-for-word script unless it helps you, but having a solid outline helps avoid rambling. Your video should have a hook at the beginning, why viewers should stay, a clear structure or storyline, a conclusion, or call to action. CTA. This preparation helps your video flow better, making it more engaging for viewers. 6. Use quality audio and video equipment. You don't need a Hollywood setup, but viewers expect clear visuals and clean sound. Video. Use at least a 1080p camera. Many phones are fine for this. Audio. A simple lapel mic or USB mic is a great investment. Lighting. Use natural light or affordable LED lights to make your video look professional. Poor audio or lighting is one of the biggest reasons new viewers click away. 7. Edit your video for engagement and flow. Long form doesn't mean slow or boring. Trim anything that's off topic or repetitive. During editing, aim to keep a good pace. Use cuts to remove silence or filler. Add transitions, text overlays, or B-roll footage to maintain viewer interest. Consider adding background music. Keep it subtle and royalty-free. Tools like DaVinci Resolve, CapCut, or Adobe Premiere can help, even if you're a beginner. 8. Design a custom, click-worthy thumbnail. A good thumbnail is arguably more important than the video itself. It's what makes someone click. Tips. Use bold, easy-to-read text, high-contrast colors, emotion, or facial expressions. If applicable, stay consistent with your brand. Stylism tools, Canva, Figma, or Snappa. 9. Write and SEO-optimized video title. Your video title should be both searchable and interesting. Think about what your audience might type into YouTube when looking for your content. Bad example. My thoughts on saving money. Better example. How to save money fast in 2025. Beginner budgeting tips. Use keywords naturally and avoid clickbait. A title that promises something should deliver it. 10. Craft a thorough video description. The first few lines show up in search results and above the Show More button. Make them count. Your description should include a quick overview of the video timestamps if it's long or covers multiple topics, links to social media, tools, affiliate products, or resources, a CTA like subscribe for more tips every week. Also, include a few relevant hashtags like hashtag productivity or hashtag investing 2025 to improve discoverability. 11. Use appropriate tags. While less powerful than titles or descriptions, tags can still help YouTube understand your content. Add both broad and specific terms. Broad, personal finance. Long format, video specific, budget tracker, tutorial 2025. Zero-based budgeting. Don't overstuff keywords. YouTube may penalize spammy behavior. 12. Choose the right category and video settings before uploading. YouTube will ask you to select visibility, public, unlisted, private audience setting. Is this made for kids? Category education, how to, comedy, etc. Make sure your settings align with your actual content. You comply with all YouTube content guidelines. No copyrighted material. 13. Add cards and end screens. These interactive elements help keep viewers on your channel longer. Cards, small pop-ups that suggest related videos or playlists. Insert them where interest may drop. End screens, used in the final 5-20 seconds to promote other content, a playlist, or a subscribe button. This boosts retention and channel growth. 14. Upload captions or subtitles. Adding captions is great for accessibility for hearing impaired viewers, non-native English speakers, people watching without sound on mobile. You can edit YouTube's auto captions or upload your own cert file. 15. Preview, test, and promote your video before hitting publish. Double check. Thumbnail looks good on desktop and mobile. Title and description are typo-free. All links work properly. Captions and end screens are in place. Plan to promote your video. Share on your socials with a teaser post to relevant communities or forums without spamming. Tell friends or peers to help with early engagement. Likes, comments, shares. Final tip: don't stress about being perfect. Your first video is just the beginning. The most important thing is to start, improve with each upload, and stay consistent.